MultiPly is a modular timber installation made from hardwood cross-laminated timber, or CLT.
What we're doing is looking at how we can use timber instead of using concrete, instead of cement, instead of steel. These buildings that we're building, these buildings are lightweight, they are prefabricated, so they go together very quickly, very quietly, and very beautifully. A tree is in effect a carbon store. So by building our buildings in timber, we are building carbon stores. Now, if you think about the alternatives to that in concrete and cement and steel and brick, these are massive emitters of carbon. So actually, building buildings, building beautiful buildings from timber is a way not only of reducing climate change, but actually beginning to reverse the problem. So that's really exciting for us.
The fact that we are now able to bring MultiPly to Milan in its entirety, but reconfigured and reshaped for the location of the Statale University courtyard, is a really important achievement. It gives us an opportunity to highlight again the amazing properties of American tulip wood. It's soft, it's lightweight, but it's incredibly strong. It has a beautiful aesthetic. We encourage visitors, come and see it while it's in Milan, while you've got a chance. Come and have fun and enjoy it, and engage with the serious messages that are being communicated.